As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're looking at two propane grills, right? The Weber Q1200 and the Char-Broil Pro Series 2-burner. First thing I notice is the price difference. The Weber's around $259, and the Char-Broil is $449.
Yeah, big jump. So what are we getting for that extra cash? Is it just size?
Partly. The Char-Broil has a much larger cooking area, 436 square inches versus the Weber's 189, and it has a warming rack too. The Weber is definitely more compact, designed for portability. It only weighs 30 pounds compared to Char-Broil's hefty 151.7 pounds.
Wow, that Char-Broil is a beast. But it sounds like it's trying to be more than just a grill. I see it mentions a griddle and even charcoal grilling options with an add-on.
Exactly. The Char-Broil is pushing that modular cooking system angle. It's like grill, griddle, or charcoal. Pick your poison. The Weber, on the other hand, is straightforward grilling with a single stainless steel burner, putting at 8,500 BTU.
BTU is lower on the Weber, but does that really matter?
Well, the Char-Broil boasts 20,000 BTU, but they also claim BTU isn't directly related to heat. The Weber gets plenty hot, though, according to reviews. One reviewer said it can reach 420 plus degrees in 10 minutes.
Good point. What about build quality? I always hear Weber is pretty solid.
Weber uses porcelain enameled cast iron grates and a cast aluminum lid and body. The Char-Broil has porcelain coated cast iron grates, but the frame material is just alloy steel. Weber has a better rating by customers, 4.8 versus 4.1.
So Weber's smaller, more portable, and maybe better built. Char-Broil is bigger, has more features, but is much heavier and pricier. And I see the Char-Broil has a 10-year warranty on the burners.
Yep, and it looks like the Char-Broil needs assembly, whereas the Weber comes fully assembled.
Okay, so if you're looking for a portable grill for camping or tailgating, the Weber's the clear winner. But if you want a more versatile, multifunctional grill for the backyard, and don't mind spending more, the Char-Broil could be a good option.
Precisely. Depends on what you're looking for, really. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.